Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the HAMSWAN Smartwatch. You can get this product on Amazon for about $57. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It's a nice looking smartwatch and it's not too heavy. First, I fully charge the smartwatch and it takes about 2 hours. Charging the watch is very convenient thanks to the magnetic connector on the back of the watch. When you use the smartwatch for the first time, you can choose between different languages. But once you connect a smartphone with your watch, it automatically uses the phone's language settings. Connecting a smartphone with a smartwatch is very easy and only takes a few seconds. You just need to download the HAMSWAN app so you can use the smartwatch together with your phone. The HAMSWAN app is in my opinion not a very good app, but unfortunately it's the only app I can use with the smartwatch, according to HAMSWAN. I tested the smartwatch for about 2 weeks with my Android device, and I think it's a pretty decent product. I mostly use it to check my heart rate and my daily steps, and to answer phone calls, and it works really good. I installed the weather app on my smartwatch, but unfortunately it's not working all the time. What I don't like about the smartwatch is that you can only reply to text messages with a bunch of templates. You can't write your own message. But other than that, it works as expected and I have no complaints about it. If you need a smartwatch and you don't want to spend too much money, I would recommend the HAMSWAN smartwatch. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.